Alright guys, I've got everything ready to start the assembly, and during the assembly I'm going to be speeding up the video because it is a lot of time consuming process. If there's anything I specifically need to talk about, I'll slow down the video so you can hear what I'm saying about that part of the build. Otherwise it's just going to be going a little bit faster just to go through it because it's a lot of work. Now don't forget, when you are assembling the Z-axis assembly, that the two middle pieces do not get tightened down right away. What that does is when you tighten them, it pulls in on the middle while leaving the top and bottom loose, which tightens in on your router and keeps it in place. So these two middle ones right here, you want to keep loose for now. Alright, so that is one tip I just found out, is the bottom Z support, which is the Z4 board. If you have trouble getting the Z7 board into the little slots, if you loosen up the bottom board, it'll let you get enough play out of the whole stack to be able to get the top one, Z7, in. Alright, so this is the finished Z assembly. I did not put my router in here to test fit it, so hopefully it does fit okay. I have the DeWalt 611 mounted to my E4 right now, so I'm still using that. I didn't want to take it out yet, so hopefully it will fit in here once we get to that point in the process and I take it out of my E4 to put it in this one. Alright, if y'all have any questions, please leave a comment, like and subscribe to see the rest of my build and future videos. Thank you guys.